In sport activity, Your Excellency, I want to bring your attention that most of the youth, most of the people who are playing football, it is youth. I need you to encourage the youth so that you provide funds for sports so that things will move easily. That's why sometimes we see we have drug abuses around. So that's why you find most of the people, they engage through maybe taking drugs, being idling, all those things to shortcut. We want to make them busy through sport activity. I need your support also to give us on that side. Lastly, I need also to appreciate all the MPs for the bursaries, because in Wajir County, most of the people are needy. In this time around, we are very happy about the MPs because they have tried all the efforts, that they have helped the needy people, that they have paid the school fees. They are the parents who cannot pay the school fees.